Athens, and that is when our journey began. We did sightseeing with friends and saw the Acropolis. It was beautiful, and we got to see it at night as well, and did some sightseeing in the town and tried some sweet treats. First time having lukamadas. And then, after a few days of sightseeing, we started our journey on the boat. Alright, we're in Greece! Alright, Costa, coming in. This little machine was called a sea bob. It was so much fun. It was like a mini jet ski, and we were riding all around with it. When we were on the boat, pretty much every day I went snorkeling. There was so much life to see, and I'm really glad that we had water shoes because the rocks were really sharp. Plus, those little spiky things that you see in the video, those are sea urchins, and they're very sharp. But so neat every day when exploring. Where the boat was staying that day, you could swim across the island and see some old houses and different things to explore. And one of our friends that were on the boat really wanted to go across but did not want to get wet. So we tried multiple different ways to get across on the paddleboard.
Yep, go ahead. Yeah, take us to the beach if it works. Yay, we're gonna go explore these old ruins. Oh, those are so cool.
The boat started in Athens, and it was about a 10-day boat trip, and so we were going north, visiting different islands and different mainlands, and it was fun getting off the boat with our friends and doing some exploring. Costa had taken me across the island on this day because the sea was filled with jellyfish, and I jumped in and looked around and I was like, nope, not about this life. So my handsome Greek man took me across so I could do some exploring. I loved walking around and just checking out all the old houses and the churches that were there, and I don't know, just exploring new things. I found a path that I had followed that led me all the way into a tiki bar place. And from there I had to wave Costa down from the boat so he could come get me. And then he came and picked me up in the jet ski. But it was fun exploring in the back of the woods there. afternoon, I went spearfishing with the captain, and we caught lunch for the following day. It was awesome.
Did you guys catch anything? Did you? Good for you.
We had fresh gyros on the boat. It was so good.
Oh, big smiles. All right, there you go.
We had dinner on the beach this night. Dinner, drinks, music, and just great company and an amazing view. Our boat journey was soon coming to an end, but we spent the last few nights hanging out with friends, making memories, laughing, telling stories, and just enjoying the present moment of things.
We made it to Milos! Thank you for watching the video. It was such a fun trip. Hit subscribe!